Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing the Faber Castell wax crayons, which is a 12 color set. So this one here is for 29 rupees INR, at least 30 rupees, depends on where you're buying from which retailer. So these have 12 colors and I'm quite excited to see how these will be. I haven't used Faber Castell wax crayons in a really long time, so let's try these out. I love their packaging. I really like the size. It is quite tall. It also seems nice to hold. Their packaging, the dots, the colors, it's so easy and vibrant to see. So that way these look really good. So let's try this out. It's a regular set which starts from your yellows and fleshed into black. It does not have a white, which I think is a little strange. I haven't seen any wax crayon set without white. But I think it's going to be fun to try these out, and we'll also be drawing a very cute dog with some ice cream bowl and see how these colors come. We'll start with creating a quick swatch of these colors. So you can see there's a little bit of dust that's coming off. So if I put my hand, in this color I can't see much, but we'll try with a darker color. It's very soft. So I really like that. It's so smooth, the flow is really good, it's really easy to hold. The size of it is not my full palm size, but it's definitely bigger than my first finger. So that way it's nice, I really like that. So if I try to spread this, it doesn't spread much, it's very less. So it's good. The brown looks dark, but it's a little light. Let's try the black. Again, it's really soft. It's okay if the colors are slightly muted. Like I've noticed this in most of the color pencils and crayons for student range. The reds may end up looking pinkish. This pink is very, very light. Extremely light. So I'm not sure how useful this color will be. So let's try the rest of the colors here. We'll find a way to use the colors. I've noticed that the blues are very vibrant in most of these sets, and also the greens. There's very little residue, so you don't have to worry about the hands getting dirty. I'm not sure if it is non-toxic. It does not really say that anywhere, or maybe it does. Okay, all right, so I'm not really sure if it is non-toxic. Anyway, so these are what the 12 shades look like. I really like it. So far it looks nice. So we're going to make a quick drawing of a very cute dog, and we're going to try and color that. The dog will also have like a bowl of ice cream in its hand, or like next to it maybe. So let's draw a dog. You can draw along with me. You can also color using your own set of colors, anything that you have with you. I'm going to have a bowl here and maybe 3 scoops of ice cream and a few details. Okay. So we'll start with coloring. You can even make your dog in like very cute colors. It doesn't have to necessarily be the colors which are what I'm creating or what is really there in the dog. You can create like a green color dog. You can create a blue dog. So my pink is very, very light. So I'm going to use like a little bit of red and maybe some black for the nose. Black for some shade. A little bit of brown here, and the rest will make it like a dress. So I'll use some. Let's add some stripes. Create a pista flavor ice cream, maybe some mango and some orange. Could have like dark green bowl and some wafers. we're going to try add some shade. I'm going to use some black to add some shade, like very minimal, to see how it reacts to it. It is very strong, so let's try the contrast color. So on green you could use a blue, and this looks really nice. So far I do like these crayons. I think they are a good set of colors, especially for their price. So if you're somebody who's just looking for something very basic, then you definitely can consider getting these. So this is what my artwork looks like with these colors set from Faber Castell wax crayons. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was and you're new here and you haven't subscribed already to my channel, do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon so you can get a notification every time I put up a new artwork. See you.